How to play Uncharted on PS4. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to play Uncharted on your PlayStation 4, step by step, from installation to gameplay. Let's get started. Tutorial. Step 1. Choose your Uncharted game. Uncharted has multiple titles on PS4. The most popular ones are Uncharted, the Nathan Drake Collection, Uncharted 4, A Thief's End, and Uncharted, The Lost Legacy. You can choose any of them depending on your preference. 2. Buy or insert the game. You have two options. Digital, go to PlayStation Store, search for Uncharted, select your game, click buy or download. Disc version. Just insert the game disc into your PS4. Step 3. Install the game. Your PS4 will automatically begin installing the game. Make sure you have enough free space on your hard drive. Step 4. Launch the game. Go to the main PS4 menu. Select the Uncharted game icon. Then press X to launch. Step 5. Set up your preferences. Choose your language, difficulty level, and adjust any audio or video settings before you begin playing. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Uncharted on your PlayStation 4. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.